Testnet are welcome in this video. I'm going to show you humanity protocol. Okay, and there's a lot of people related with it. You participate in this airdrop. Your next step would be verify their stuff. If you don't participate, you can check out my channel RANGA Finance and click in here, and you will be found the humanity protocol. Okay, so I'm showing you. You can search as well in here about humanity protocol. If you cannot, just you can come into second channel Europe RANGA Finance, and here is you will be found humanity protocol. This post is the main post. You can participate from here. 223 people is shown this post, and if I show the main post, today's this on. So if you participate, it's for you. If you don't participate, do participate and do this stuff that I'm going to do today. So it's all about Discord stuff. Go through their Discord, and here open it up, accept humanity protocol Discord, and verify. Simple verification needed. Just they will be ask you, is that cow, is that dog or not, everything, something like that. And what do you need to do? You need to just scroll down and you need to get the I'm showing you. You need to definitely get sorry, you need to get the thing that is required here. I'm showing you human ID. Okay, simply click on there and then simply click the submit, and here is you need to paste your MetaMask address. Okay, so just copy it and try to paste it into here and submit. Okay, it's done. You want to check your wallet address in here, and then another thing, come into roles and try to get guide 300 XP, Tribesman 600 XP, Villager 900 XP, Townspoke 900, City Developer, Consumption, Global Citizen. The more you help people, the more active you are in their Discord, the better your XP would be. So let's say this guy, if I check how many XP he will be get, that would be showed up in here. Okay, probably simple. Just you need to message as much fun, you need to help people as much as possible, so they have a lot of XP. Okay, so you can help people, in here. Okay, so this one is about GM human. Okay, my message will be cool. I'm the pirate the rule. Here is I'm human and this simple member. Okay, so that's it. What will it make sense to you? How do you do it?